Hello everyone. Good evening.
Hi, Sai. Good evening.
Hello. Yeah, good evening everyone.
Good evening.
Good
Evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. Shall we start our class?
Yes,
Yes,
Sai.
I.
Yes, I.
So in our yesterday's class, we have seen theory of Maven, right? Okay. Theoretically, we have seen Maven. Today we are going to see practical. Okay. Today is completely lab session. We are going to do it practically. I'll tell you what actually we are going to do. Assume that he's a developer. He's a developer. This is developer's machine. This is developer's machine. Now, this is assume that this is EC2 instance. Okay, you can take Windows or Linux. I'll take Linux. We have GitHub is right anyways. This is GitHub, and this is my laptop. In my laptop, yes, we have Git, but already we have installed, and we have Maven. Right, and yes, we have Jenkins. In my laptop, I have Git, Maven, and Jenkins. We have installed all of them. Okay. In my GitHub, yeah, the GitHub is fine. In this EC2 instance, we are going to install Git. We are going to install Java and Maven. So we are going to launch one EC2 instance. In that, we are going to install Git, Java, and Maven. So first of all, why we need to install all of them? Simple, guys. Developer, he will write some code. After writing code, he is going to add, commit, and he is going to push. For that, he must have Git. Without Git, how can he push that code? Correct or not? Adding, committing, and pushing. For that, he needs this Git. That's why we have Git. Now, this code he's writing in which language? Java. He's going to write Java code here. Right? It's a Java. That's why Java must be there. Right? Java. You understood why we need Git and Java. Without installing Java, how can he write Java related code? Correct or not? Then why does he need this Maven? Why? Because he is going to write this code, right? Where he is going to keep that code in some directory structure. Okay, in directory structure. He's going to create directory structure. In that only he's going to keep that code. So how to create the directory structure? With the help of Maven. Okay, by using Maven, he's going to create the directory structure. Okay, that's why we need three. I'm repeating, guys. Why he needs Git? Because he's going to add, commit, and he's going to push. For that, he needs Git. Why he needs Java? He's going to write Java related code. That's why he needs Java. Why does he need Maven? Because he's going to create Maven directory structure. Inside that directories only, he's going to keep Java. So to create directory structure, he needs Maven, right? So that's why what we'll do first, we are going to launch one EC2 instance. In that, we are going to install all those three, Git, Java, and Maven. Okay, fine, guys. Let's do it now. Log into your AWS account. Sign in. Now let's launch one EC2 instance. Go to EC2. the launch instance. You can use the new console. I think already we have seen, right, how to use new console. Okay, let me show you how to use new console. Same options, you don't find any difference. How many number of instances that you want? I want one. That you can see that option here. Okay. Yeah, I think you can see here. Recently, whatever option that you selected, right? It is showing all those options here. Number of instances, one. Amazon Linux, you can see T2 Micro, security group, I don't know what security group is going to 8 GB, right? I think directly if you click here, automatically instance will be launched. Okay, fine. I never tried. We'll try. Yeah. Anyways, here you can give any name to instance. I'll give as developers EC2. Okay, it's developers EC2. Then so Amazon Linux. Fine. Then T2 Micro. Coming to key pair. Let me create a new key pair. Create new key pair. Today's date is 26, right? 26 Maven. Okay. Now, create key pair and security group. Yeah, SSH is enough. If you want, you can open HTTP also. So let me select any existing one. Yes, web security group is here where SSH and HTTP both are open. Fine. Then 8 GB here. Changing any option here. Right. So actually earlier, sometimes I have seen one option that you have to modify the storage. You have to modify a little bit, but they are not showing that option here. That's okay, fine. No. 8 GB is fine. That's it. Now launch instance and view instances. My instance is ready. Go inside this instance. Downloads 26 Maven. That's it. I logged into my EC2 instance. Screen sudo minus yum update minus y. Done. Now first we'll install Git. You know, right, how to install Git. Yum install git minus y. That's it. Yeah. So we are ready with Git. Then after that, we have to install Java. You can see first we'll install Git. Already we installed. Then we'll install Java. You know, right, how to install Java. Already we have seen, right? While I have shown you, right, how to install Jenkins in Linux. That time, before we install Jenkins, we have installed Java, right? So here also we will do the same thing. Yum install. In Linux, we use Java 1.8 version, guys. Okay, yum install java -1.8 minus y. So after 1.8, there could be many other numbers, the version number and all. I don't know the number, that's why I have given star. Okay, yum install java -1.8 minus y. That's it. Press enter. That's it. We have installed Java. So how to verify whether you install properly or not? Which Java or Java space hyphen version, you can see. Java space hyphen version. So you can see 1.8 something. Yeah. Now we have to set up Java's home path. That you know, right? How to do it? Find this also already we did. Okay. Find under USR lib JVM. Okay. Java -1.8 star. Since I know this path, that's why I'm giving. But actually, by using find command, you don't even need to use the path. Just you give Java -1.8. Still, it will recognize. It will show you the location of that Java 1.8. Okay, fine. Now here we will get so many executables. From that, I'm looking for top 3 lines. Side -n3. I'm looking for top 3 lines. Okay. From that, I'm mainly looking for this particular line. By using this, we are going to set up environment variable. Okay. So how to do that? Vi dot bash underscore profile. You know, right? This file. You have to open this file inside anywhere. You type here Java underscore home in capital letters equal to paste this path and come to the next line. Path line is right colon dollar Java underscore home. Okay. Already we have seen, right? This is how we have to set up this path. That's it. Come out. Now exit. Now login again. Sudo minus. Now to verify, echo dollar Java underscore home. Okay, you should be able to see that path, executable path. That means we have set up Java's path properly. That's it. We are done with Java. Then we have to deal with Maven. Maven already we have seen how to install in Windows, but now I'm going to show you how to deal with Maven in Linux. Okay, so you don't find much difference. It's something similar the way we did in Windows, right? It's kind of same, pretty same. Go to Maven's folder, the website, Maven download. Okay, Maven download. Go to that official website, download Maven. Here, scroll down. You can see. For Windows, we have selected binary zip link. You can see binary zip link. This is what we have selected for Windows. But for Linux, we need first tar.zz. Correct? For Linux, the tar and zz. This link we need. So what you do, how to download? Just right click and copy this link address. Copied. Now, yeah, here we are going to download, right? You can download anywhere, but generally we are keeping Maven under OPT. Generally in companies, we are keeping this Maven under OPT, but that's okay. You can keep it anywhere, wherever you want. Okay, here we are going to download wget and paste that link. Now press enter. That's it. Now if you do ls, you can see we have downloaded Maven. Now we have to extract it. You know how to extract. In one go, we can extract. That is *-xvzf. X means extract, V means verbose, Z means zip. We are removing zip also in one go. F means forcefully. Okay, tar hyphen XVZF, and this particular zip, tar and zip file. That's it. That's it. We have extracted. Now do ls. You can see. After extracting, you will get this one. Since this name is not so user friendly, let's rename it. Okay, so I'm renaming it to simple Maven. That's not mandatory. If you want, you can rename it, or else no need. That's it. So I'm renaming it to just Maven. Now do ls. Yeah, this is my Maven folder. If you go inside Maven folder, you can see all related, related configuration files, bin directory, conf and all. In Windows also, we got all these folders, right? Something similar, same. Now we have to set up Maven's path as well, right? In Windows also, we have set up Maven path. The same thing we are going to do here also. So how to do it? PWD. So we are in, this is actual path, right? /opt Maven. Now, and just remember guys, see, /opt Maven. Inside Maven, we have bin directory also, correct? Inside this Maven, we have bin directory. Just remember that. Okay. Now let's go back to our home directory. Now here, vi dot bash underscore profile. These are file by using which we are going to set up path, right? So let me copy this now. Yeah, go inside this file. Here, just below Java. Actually, you can do it anywhere, but this is recommended. Just below Java, what you do, you type here m2 underscore home equal to, we have to mention m2 only. That is what they have mentioned in official website. m2 underscore home, and just paste that path /opt wherever Maven is there. That is /opt /Maven. Correct? This is the location. And here for Maven, you have to give bin directories path. How you are going to give bin directories path? m2 equal to /bin directory. That's it. See, m2 underscore home, Maven's location. m2 equal to its bin directories path. Inside Maven only we have that bin directory, right? Correct? That is how we do it. Right? Yeah, and same thing here. Come to this next line. Here, colon, dollar. Okay, dollar. Just mention these two, these m2 underscore home, m2 both. m2. And same again, colon, dollar. This m2 underscore home both. Yes, we have to mention. Correct or not? See, for Java also we mentioned dollar Java home. Right? You can see. Same like dollar m2 home, dollar m2. That's it. Now let's come out. Now exit sudo su minus again. That's it. Now, how to verify whether you install Maven properly or not? Just we can verify Maven version. To verify Maven version, mvn space hyphen version. Mvn space hyphen version. You can see this is the version that we have installed. Now that path, whether you set up properly or not, how to verify? Echo dollar. If you type m2, you should be able to see its bin directories path. But if you type m2 underscore home, you should be able to see Maven's installed path. Correct? That's it. Now Maven is ready. That is how we install Maven in Linux, right? So now my developer's machine having all three packages, Git, Java, and Maven. Okay. Now first, what this developer is going to do, he is going to create directory structure, Maven's directory structure. Directory structure. Okay, the directory structure which I have shown you, right? SRC folder, inside pom.xml, inside SRC again main test, right? That directory structure he is going to create. Okay, so he is not going to create manually, guys. Okay, we have Maven related commands are there. If we run that command, automatically the structure would get created automatically. Okay, he is not going to create it manually. The structure, directory structure would get created automatically. So let me show you. See, every directory structure, with the help of Maven, we can do many things, guys. We can do many things with the help of Maven. Okay. Creating war file is just one of the tasks. Creating war file is just one of the tasks. Correct or not? See, let me give one. Yeah, let me give an example. Not an example. Let me explain Maven itself. See, with the help of Maven, you can do many tasks. To perform each task, you need to create separate type of template. Okay, this you can call it as a template. Template means a directory structure. I'm repeating as template means directory structure. So with the help of Maven, you can do many tasks. Each task has its own type of template. Okay, to create jar file, separate template is there. Means separate directory structure. To create var file, separate directory structure is there. Like that, you can do thousands of tasks. Thousands of tasks. Okay. So out of those many tasks, our main task is to create var file, web application. So for that, we need required template by using which we can create var file. I'm repeating as with the help of Maven, we can do many tasks. Okay, to perform each task, we need related template. Template means directory structure. Okay, so here we are going to create var file. For that, we need related template by using which we can create var file. Okay, so to create each template, we have different commands on there. Okay, first let me show you how many templates are there. How many templates that we can create. Okay, so in order to see that one, you have to run one command. That is mvn archetype, archetype. Okay, archetype, archetype colon generate. Okay, mvn space archetype colon generate. Okay. When you press enter, you can see it will show all templates, whatever templates which are available. Okay, it is downloading all templates from where? From Maven Central Repository. You can see that Central Repository URL. You can see, right? That's all. Build failure, right? Okay, let's see. Which command we execute? mvn. Yes. Oh, sorry. Spelling mistake, right? ACHET, right? AR. Okay, so actually spelling mistake. mvn archetyp. Okay, generate. archetyp colon generate. Now it is fine. Now you can see all templates. It is downloading all templates which are there in Maven Central Repository. Okay, see here, how many templates are there? 3,116. You can see 3116. These many templates are there. That means these many directory structures are there. That means you can perform these many tasks. Out of those, one of the tasks is just to create var file. Okay, so we can perform these many tasks. Now, out of these many templates, how would I know that which template that I need to use? How would I know? Okay, I need a template by using which I need to create var file. So out of these many templates, how would I know which template that I need to pick? See guys, a template should have the template having name, that is Maven archetype web app. Okay, Maven archetype web app. The template, the name, wherever you see Maven's here it is showing, you can see so many templates, right? A template name should have Maven archetype web app. It should have that name. But out of these many, it would be difficult to search for that name, right? So that's why we can use grep command. Correct? You know, right? Already we used grep. So Control C, Just come out. Now repeat the same command, maven archetype generate. Here pipe. You know, right? When I type this first command, whatever output that I get, that is going to be input of second command. What is the second command? Grep. Okay, whatever output that I get from the first command, from that I would like to search for one word, that is maven hyphen archetype, maven hyphen archetype hyphen web app. Okay, so I'm looking for this particular word. I'm repeating this. When I run this command, I'll get the 3000 plus templates. From that, I'm searching for a template having this name. Okay, maven archetype web app. That's it. Now press enter. Now it will show templates having only this name. Okay, so it is showing that out of those many, these templates are having this name. You can see only these templates. But out of these templates, you are looking for which template? You are looking for which template? See, the template, the name should have sample. Yeah, we are looking for this one. Yeah, you can see sample Maven web app project, web application. Okay, sample Maven web app project, an archetype which contains sample Maven web app project. So I'm looking for this particular template. Just remember, this is the template that we use. Just remember this name. Now, what is the number of the template? 1929. Correct? This is the number of the template. Just remember this number, 1929. Okay, now let's run that first command. Okay. Now, when you run this first command, then here you know the number, right? 1929. Now you know which template that you need. So now happily you can enter that number. Yes, you can see here which number you have to enter. 1929. That is the template that I'm looking for. Okay, that's it. When you press enter, now it will ask some more information. Okay, so in that template also we have different versions are there. You are looking for which version, that is what it is asking. So always recommended to go with the latest version. So latest version is 7. So enter 7. That's it. Now see, it is asking group ID. Okay, so generally you can give whatever name that you want. This is kind of a description you can think. Generally in companies we give website name. Okay, suppose if IRCTC, www.irctc.com. But since my product is not ready yet, here you can give any name. That's kind of description. So what we do, we give in a reverse way, like com.irctc.www. Generally, that's what people are following. That's why we are following. But whatever name that you want, you can give. That's up to you. So here what I'll do, I'll give maybe in.sideme.com or whatever you want, you can. Okay, maybe I'll give a back. Any name, guys. That's up to you. It's completely optional. Okay, generally, people are giving website name in reverse. Okay, because my product is not ready yet. Okay, then artifact ID. So here you give the name, whatever name you give. That with that name you will get end product. For example, if you give IRCTC, you'll get irctc.com. That end product would be IRCTC. That's all. So here you can give whatever name you want. I'll give maybe web app hyphen project. Any name, that's up to you. I'm giving web app hyphen project. Okay, then end product name is going to be web app hyphen project dot var. Web app hyphen project dot var. This is going to be our end product name. That's it. Now it is asking the version name. Okay. So say which version that you are giving. See, you can see snapshot is showing, right? That means product is under progress. Okay. See, here just we are giving name, but this is not the main thing. Actually, here the version number and all generally it takes a default version number even if you don't give anything. Okay. So once project is ready over, then here we give actual end product name. This is a kind of for our own reference that, you know, what is this project? What's the name of this project? For our own reference, not for Maven and all. Okay. Yeah, snapshot. If you don't give, it takes a default version here. Just press enter. Don't give anything. And package name also. These are some default options. You need not give any of these things. And it is asking to continue you have to press Y. Yes, give Y. No, press enter. That's it. That's it. Okay. So we have what actually we did, we have downloaded that particular template, sample web app, the template. If you want to see that, do ls. Yes, you can see web app -project. This template we have downloaded. To download this one, we did all those things. Okay, see, we did not create manually the template. Actually, we have downloaded from Maven Central Repository, the template. Okay, so if you want to see the directory structure, let's install tree. Yum install tree -y. That's it. We have installed tree. Now type tree. Yes, this is directory structure of the template. You can see in my current directory, the folder name is web app -project. This is the main project name, right? Main project name. Inside, we have two folders. One is src folder, source code. In that same level, we have a file called pom.xml. You can see these things got created automatically. In that src folder, again, main directory is there. Test directory also must be there, but that's optional. Developers generally, they create that one manually if they really want. That's optional. That's why it is not giving by default. If they want, they can create it separate. Inside again, web app folder, right? And this is the main index file. Okay, the main website home page. Okay, by default we get these are some dependency backend files. Okay, so these will get created by default. Later on, developers, they, as per the requirement, they keep on adding new pages, new folders and dependencies, everything. They keep on adding that one, and the required dependencies and compilers information they are going to keep in this pom.xml. That is how these developers are going to do it. I'm repeating as in this. First, they have downloaded one template. In that, whatever extra files are there, whatever extra dependencies, compile, the dependency files and all, everything, they are going to add those files here. And that information they are going to keep in this configuration file, compilers dependencies information. That is all. So since we are not developers, actually developers will take care of that. Since we are not developers here, we are not going to do anything here. Just we are going to modify this file a little bit. Inside, definitely you'll find some sample web content that we are going to modify, update a little bit. Okay. So let me modify this one. See, just go inside that file vi web app -project. Project. In that, we have a src folder. It is not coming. vi web app -project. In that, src, in that main, and again web app inside index.js. Enter. See here, that file is having sample web content. You can see in a HTML format, you can say HTML body. This is sample web content. By it will be there by default. Okay, so these are main home page. Okay, if you want, you can change it if you want. For example, yeah, let's change this web content. Here, assume that this is my website. Here I'm going to mention something. Okay. Welcome to DevOps by Mr. Sai. Okay. So just I have modified this web content. Welcome to DevOps course by Mr. Sai. Okay. Now let's come out of this file. Okay. See, my directory structure is ready. In that, these files are ready, having web content. Okay. Now, let me show you that pom.xml file also. That also gets created automatically with the default content. If developers, if they want, they will modify it. You can see web app -project and pom.xml. Yeah, don't open with vi, better open with cat because you don't modify it. Okay. Fine. Enter. See, these are default dependencies and compilers and all. You can see these are the default things that you can see. And see, whatever name we have given, the description and all, in.sideme.web app, whatever details you give while creating template, those will be saved here. You can see web app -project, these and product name. It took default snapshot, and it is going to create war file because this template is, is going to create war file only. So that's why default it takes war file. That means we are going to create war file, and product is going to be war file. You can see required dependencies and compilers information. It takes by default. If developers, if they want to modify, yes, they will modify it. Okay, fine. So I hope you understood now. That's it. Now let's come out. Okay. Then what we do, we are going to push this entire structure to GitHub. Okay, that's how they are going to do it. See, they have written a lot of code. They have modified all those files and all. They have written a lot of Java code. And all that stuff they kept inside main folder, right? And they have modified that index files and all, everything. Okay, so that would be done by developers and UI teams also. UI developers are responsible to write Java code. UI team is responsible to create index files. So they work together. Okay, after finishing that work, they are going to push. They add, they commit, and they are going to push. When they push, that entire structure will come and sit inside GitHub. You can see. That's it. So let's add, commit, and push. Yeah, go inside this web app. Okay, here, Git. So first we have to initialize Git, right? Git init. Git init. Okay, inside that repository. So here we have to give, yes, we have to set up our name and email ID, right? Git config -- global user.name. You can give your own name. Git config -- global user.email. At gmail.com. That's it. Now let's add git add dot. Let's commit. You can see the status. Git status. Yes, there are files are there. Right? Git commit -m. Okay. Maven. Yeah, that's it. Just I'm doing Maven. That's it. We have added and committed. Now we have to push, right? So for that, we have to change branch name, right? First, git branch. Okay, it's showing master. Let's rename it. Here, let's create central repository. So in order to push, you have to have one central repository, right? Central repository also I'll create with the same name. What's the name I'm going to give? I'll give web app -project. Okay, so that there won't be any confusion. So create central repository, go to GitHub. I have a central repository with that name. I don't know. Web app -project, right? Let's type web app. Yeah, already it is there. Let me delete it. Okay. Maybe related to previous classes. Let me just, how to delete any repository? It's simple. Go to settings and scroll down. At the end, you can say delete this repository. Just delete it. Yeah, I mean, if you can create, I want to create with the same name. That's why I'm deleting it. Otherwise, you can create with a different. Okay. And I have deleted. For confirmation, you have to give password. Okay, so I have deleted it successfully. Now I'm going to create a new repository. You can give any name. I'll give the same name. If you want, you can give different name. See, I'm giving same. That's it. Now create repository. Now you know, right, how you have to add that repository. These things, you know. Let's add central repository with local repository. That's it. Let's rename that branch. Git branch -m main. Then let's push. Git push -u origin main. Give GitHub's email ID. GitHub email ID, guys, this one. And come into token. 1 second, let me verify. Do I have token or not? Yeah, I have token. Fine. Let me paste token. That's it. Authentication failed. So let me generate, guys, token, new token again. So old one is not working. Let me try once again. Old one is not working. Okay, let me generate new one. So how to do it? Go to settings. Developer settings. Personal access tokens. Delete it. No. Generate new token. Test. Which actually I have given 30 days, right? But actually my token got expired. Copy this token and paste it. Sorry. So let me paste in my notepad. Push origin main. GitHub email ID. Paste the token. That's it. We have pushed. Now go to GitHub and verify that. Just hit refresh. Go to repositories. Here you type your sample. This is a project. That is web app Python project, right? Fine. Web app. Type here web app. You can see web app -project. Fine. Just now we have pushed that entire directory structure to GitHub. You can see this entire directory structure we push it to GitHub. If you want, you can verify here. You can see src folder. See, these are repository, that project name. Inside we have src pom.xml. Inside src again main folder. Inside there are subfolders. Fine. So we have pushed the directory structure. Then what's the next step? Now here onwards, you know the process, everything. We are going to create one job. We are going to create one job. Okay, Jenkins job. In that job, I'm going to mention this GitHub URL. Here, this is that repository URL. Okay, this repository name is web app -project, right? Project. So this repository URL I'll give here. And Maven goal I'm going to give. That's it. Okay. When I run that job automatically, this will be pulled and that code will be built. Then you'll find end product. You'll find that end product. Okay, that var file will be created. I'm repeating this. Okay, I'm going to create one job. In that job, I'm going to give this repository URL, web app -project, and I'm going to give Maven goal. You know Maven goals, MVN clean package that we have given, right? That goal I'm going to give. Okay, that's it. When I run it, automatically var file will get created. Let's read now. Go to Jenkins. Send. So let's create a new job. Give any name. Now 26 Maven project. Today date is 26, right? That's why I'm doing 26. 26 Maven project, and you know that it's a Maven project. Select that Maven project and click on OK. As I said, we are going to give just two things. So first one, GitHub URL. Select that GitHub and just give that URL. Yeah, copy this one. So from here you can copy this one. Let's copy it and paste here. And one small thing you have to do, that is, see from where we are pulling, from which branch, main branch, correct? See, it is having main branch. You can see it's a main branch. Okay, but by default in Jenkins, it is taking as master. Correct? You can see master. So it is going to throw an error. That's why you make it as main. Very, very important. Since my repository right now having main branch, but whatever previous repository that we used, right? Test Java, something, right? We have used. That time, that repository, it was having master. That's why I did not change the name that time. But now it is having Maven. That's why I have changed the name. Sorry, it is having main. My repository is having main branch. That's how I changed it to main. So that it is going to pull that entire code from main branch. That's it. And we have to give Maven goal. So you can say already, see, by default, it takes form.xml by default because it is a Maven project, right? That's why we need not to mention any of these things. Automatically it takes. Just we have to mention the goal name. Okay. So clean, that's optional. If you give clean, so that any previous things are there, those will be cleaned. Okay, clean. Then after that, package, install whatever you want. If you give package, war file will be created. Or you can give any bigger goal also. For example, let's give install. After package, we have goal called install. So when you give install, first package will be created, then that war file would be stored in any repository. Since we did not connect any repository, it will create war file. War file it will create for sure. Okay, so you can give package or any bigger goal in order to see that war file. Okay, or you can give deploy also. That's up to you. Okay, fine. I'm giving clean install. That's it. Now, yeah, what you can do here, you can give poll SIM if you want. You can see poll SIM. I'm giving 5 stars. So that every 1 minute should go and verify GitHub. If at all any new changes are there, immediately it should pull that code. That's it. Apply. Save. That's it. Since my project is new project, for the first time, build will be triggered immediately. For the first time. Okay. See here. For the first time, build will be triggered. Let me show you. See, we have given poll SIM here. So every 1 minute, it should go and verify GitHub. Since my job is new job, for the first time it will pull the code, it will build. So immediately war file will be created. Second time onwards, whenever developers they modify this code, see, whenever they modify this code, when they add, commit, and when they push, then only job will be triggered automatically. So let's see. First job should get triggered. Hit refresh. Yeah, see, it's already running. You can see. Achha, actually, my node. Actually, how slaves are there, right? That's why my slave that node took this job. Okay. Now, if you want to see console output simultaneously, yes, you can go inside the job and just click here. Take some time. We have to wait. It's not take this much of time. Yes, that's it. You can see build successful. It has created warfare. So you're building war where inside C drive, obviously inside node 1 directory. It's a slave one's directory, right? Inside workspace, inside that war file got created. So here web app-project.war. War file name is web app-project.war. If you want to see that, just go to C drive, paste here. The address bar is right, just paste that. Enter. Yeah, you can see web app-project.war file. You can see the date 26/7 today, that to timing 10:27 p.m. See right now 10:28 p.m. It was created at 10:27 p.m. Okay, that is how it works. Now suppose you want to have some changes in it. That war file you want to have some changes. What you do? Simple. Being a developer, you modify that code, you add and commit. That's it. You add, commit, and then push. So that code will be pushed here, and immediately within 1 minute job will be triggered because already we have gone poll SCM, right? That's it. When you add, commit, and when you push, those changes you should be able to see here. The new war file gets generated. Previous will be deleted because in Maven we have been clean goal, right? Clean. So previous things will be clean and fresh war file will get generated. So how to do that? Let's verify. Let's do it now. Type tree. Yeah, VI inside SRC, inside main, inside again web app, inside index.js. Here you can modify something. Do any modification. Welcome to DevOps, Mr. Sai from Sai. Any modification anywhere inside this repository. Okay, so we have modified a little bit. That's it. Now run git status. There you can see some modifications. Git add dot, git commit, sem, modified git push, origin main. And enter token. If you don't want to use these credentials, you know how to set up SSH keys. That's it. We pushed. Now, yes, if we push right, now you can say automatically job will be triggered because we have been poll SCM, right? Yeah, let's verify here. You can see this was an old job, right? Earlier, this job got created. At 10:26, this job was executed, build got executed. Now you can see one new job within 1 minute. What 1 minute means whenever you push that code from then onwards, 1 minute. Now you can see fresh WAR file get created. Second time also it would be fast because whatever download plugins and all, right, already downloaded for the first time itself from central repository to local repository. That's why second time onwards it won't take much time to build the same project. So it created WAR file. You can see. I think second job also got executed in node 1 only. Yeah, you can see node 1 directly inside the WAR file got created. There is a building war somewhere. You can see. Yeah, you can see same place. So now hit refresh. You can see, yeah, it's a new WAR file got created. You can see the timing. Now it is 10:32, right? You can see a timing 10:31. That means a new WAR file. It's a fresh one. That's it. You can see the timestamp 10:31, just 1 minute back. Okay, that is how it works. I hope you understood, right? So this is how developers they work. This is how they create templates. They are going to write code and they push, add, committed, they push. Now again, it's a half story. Okay. Remaining half from Jenkins onwards, again, we are going to connect to other tools, right? We'll connect Ansible in the Tomcat and all. Then we are going to deploy that WAR file, and we can see that WAR file web content in browser. Right now, I'm not showing this WAR file, that content in browser. Okay, because normal your machines cannot read these WAR files. For that, we need Tomcat. Tomcats only, that applicant server can read this WAR file. Okay, all those things we are going to see in our project. Okay, so that is how Maven works. It's a comparatively smaller tool, comparatively, but yes, it does play an important role. Okay, in project Maven, Jenkins, okay, GitHub, and all those things. I hope you understood. Right? Yeah, if you have any doubts, you can ask me now. Before that, tell me one thing. You understood today's class? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Fine, fine. You can ask.
Practicing more.
If you have any doubts, you can ask me.
Hi, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Are we using the same Linux machine, like developer using the same Linux machine or any other tool? Like
That
Visual Studio?
depends. Windows or Linux. That's why we'll discuss two projects. One project we are going to see on Windows, and another one we are going to see on Linux. I mean, both are different type of projects, but we'll use both machines. In fact, now we are using Maven build tool. In one project we use Maven. In another project we'll use AND. So we'll see both the build tools. That is all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like we have any exact role of like DevOps person
No.
in this?
Wait. For that you have to wait a couple of more days. Okay. So that's a climax. After discussing project, then you will understand what you are going to do. No more doubts?
Yes, it's fine.
Yeah, fine, guys. Yeah, thank you. That's it for today. Thank you all. See you in tomorrow's class. Got it?
Thank you.
I think
you, sir.
Jenkins, did I attach Jenkins question and answers?
Document? No.
No,
sir.
right?
No, not
Okay,
yet.
No.
so yeah, fine. Today I'm going to attach today. Okay?
Thank you.
Epic.
Yeah. Maven, we don't have any related document. It's a pretty small tool. Whatever theory yesterday we discussed, right? Just you have to go that document, whatever I have shared with you, right? You just go through that document only. There is no separate question and answer step. Got it? Yeah, fine. So Jenkins one I'm going to attach today. Fine. So thank you. Yes, thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you. Good night.
Good night.